Hello, in this video, let me show you what to do in case you get sound out of your JVC Roku TV, but there is no image. The screen stays completely black, and even though you're trying to press buttons over here, nothing changes. Well, you have a black screen problem, and I'll show you a trick that fixes most of the time this issue. So let's get started right away. First step is you're going to unplug the TV from the wall outlet, okay? Completely off like this. Then you're going to find the power button of your TV. In my case, the power button is located on the back here. I'm going to press that power button. Again, maybe yours is located under here. I'll keep it pressed during 30 seconds. After counting to 30, you can release and wait 5 minutes, okay, with the TV unplugged. I also suggest to unplug any HDMI devices or any other devices that you have connected on the back. Sometimes these devices can interfere with the TV and these are causing the black screen. So after 5 minutes has passed, you can go ahead and connect back your TV. You turn on the TV not by using the remote control, but by using the power button. Okay, I have tapped once on it and here we go, it powers on. And fortunately in your case too, the screen will work after doing this very simple. It's not even called the reset or anything, it's just unplugging the TV, pressing the power button 30 seconds, waiting 5 minutes, and usually it fixes the problem. If you still have a black screen, okay, even after doing this, once you power on the TV, bring a flashlight close to the screen. If you see an image appearing, it means that the backlight of your TV needs to be replaced. So go see a repair center and hopefully they'll be able to help you out with this. If not, there's other YouTube videos showing you how to do this. I don't know how personally, so I don't want to even talk about it since I'm not experienced in this kind of a repair. Otherwise, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.